Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kannad. Now today's article is Directions, Planes and Miller Indices. In a crystal, there exist directions and planes which contain a large concentration of the atoms. It is necessary to locate these directions and planes for crystal analysis. Now consider this figure. Two directions are shown by the arrows in two dimensions. These directions pass through the origin O and end at A and B respectively. This is origin O. This is direction is end at A, and second one is end at B. The directions are described by giving the coordinates of the first whole numbers point, that is x, y in bracket xy, through which each of the directions passes. For directions OA, it is 1 1 because x coordinate is 1 as well as y coordinate is 1, so it is 1 1. And for OB, it is 3 1 because x is 3, 1 is its y axis. In three dimensions, the directions are described by the coordinate of the first whole numbers point in bracket x, y and z. Generally, square brackets are used to indicate directions. Few directions are given below. Now directions of OA in square bracket, it is 1 1 0. Then OB, it is 0 1 0. Then OC, it is 1 1 1. OD, it is 1 0 2, and OE, it is 1 1 2. The crystal lattice may be regarded as made up of an aggregate of set of parallel equivalent planes passing through the lattice points, which are known as lattice planes. For a given lattice, the lattice planes can be chosen in different ways, which is shown in this figure. The problem is that how to designate these planes in a crystal. Then Miller involved a method to designate a set of parallel planes in crystal by three numbers, which is in bracket H, K, L, known as Miller indices. Now the steps in the determination of Miller indices of a set of parallel planes are in figure. Now first step is determine the coordinate of the intercept made by the plane along three crystallographic axes. Now in these three crystallographic axes, the x coordinate is 2a. This is a and a. X is 2a. Y is 3b, and c is 1 unit. So intercept is 2a, 3b and c. Then express the intercept as a multiple of unit cell dimensions or lattice parameters along the axis. Then 2a divided by a, 3b divided by b, and c divided by c. So its integer is 2, 3, and 1. Now next step is determine the reciprocal of these numbers, which is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 1. Now reduce these reciprocals to the smallest set of integral numbers and enclose them in brackets. That is, multiply by 6, we get it is 3, 2, and 6. In general, it is denoted by in bracket HKL. We also notice that which is equal to 3 to 6. Thus, Miller indices may be defined as the reciprocals of the intercepts made by the plane on crystallographic axis when reduced to smallest numbers. Now, important features of Miller indices of a crystal planes. The first is all the parallel equidistant planes have the same Miller indices. Thus, the Miller indices define a set of parallel planes. Second one, a plane parallel to one of the coordinate axes has an intercept of infinite. Third one, if the Miller indices of two planes have the same ratio, that is 844 and 422 or 211, then the planes are parallel to each other. If HKL are Miller indices of the plane, then the plane cuts the axis into HK and L equal segment respectively. Then important planes. In this figure, the plane cuts the y-axis at A. X-axis at infinite because it is a parallel to x-axis. So it intercept along x-axis is infinite, and z-axis it is also a parallel to z-axis, so it is infinite. Therefore, the coordinates of the intercept of the plane are infinite, a, infinite, that is infinity, 1, and infinity are the intercept as multiples of the unit cell dimensions. Now take the reciprocals of these. We get 1 upon infinity, comma 1 and 1 upon infinity, or it is 0, 1, 0. And hence 0, 1, 0 are the Miller indices of the plane 0, 1, 0 plane is perpendicular to 0, 1, 0 directions. 1, 1, 0, this is second one is 1, 1, 0 planes, and third one is it is 1, 1, 1 planes. These are the some planes and directions and Miller indices.